Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and create a product bundle in Gumroad. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, now we can get started. You want to go and log into your account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in from this home page, we can get started with accessing all the sections we have for managing our store, such as home, products, collaborators, and so on. So let's go ahead and follow this article right here in the official help center for product bundles. So it's going to go ahead and show us how to create a bundle. You're going to navigate to the products page and click new products. So here we have the products page at the left side of the screen, from where we can click the new product button in the upper right corner. That's going to enable us to create a product, and then you're going to name your bundle and then click bundle from the product type list and give it a price. So here we have this bundle option, as you can see at the right side of the screen, where you can sell 2 or more existing products for a new price. So give it a name right here, let's say example, and once you give it your name, you can go and proceed to the next page. So click next to go to the customize page, and this is going to enable you to set up your price as well. Put in the price you want to use, and it's going to take us to the page where we can get started setting up our bundle. Once you're finished, just click save and continue in the upper right corner, and this is going to enable you to add your bundle to the products, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.